Is your metabolism feeling slow? Has that growing belly fat knocked down your confidence? Let's find out how some easy home yoga tips can put fresh confidence back in your life. Imagine a regular person looking in the mirror every morning, worried about their belly fat, but today decides to take control and fight that extra fat. Now, let's check out some special and simple yoga poses that help us cut down belly fat. First is Bhujangasana, cobra pose. First, lie down on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders. As you breathe in, lift your upper body up. That's from the waist to the head. And then gently stretch your neck backwards. Hold this for 20 to 30 seconds, and then slowly come back to the normal position. You can do this 4 or 5 times. A few precautions. If you have back pain, do this slowly. Don't overstretch. If there's any injury in your waist, spine, or neck, skip this posture. The benefits? There are many, but mainly, it stretches your belly muscles, strengthens your metabolism, and improves digestion. Second pose, Naukasana, boat pose. To do this, lie on your back. Lift both your arms and legs up together. Shape your body into a V. Tighten your stomach in and hold for 30 seconds. Then relax back to your starting position. Rest for 30 seconds and repeat this 8 to 10 times. If you have any back strain, take it slow. Why do it? This pose is great for burning stubborn belly fat, making your spine strong, and easing constipation. Third pose, Paschimottanasana, seated forward bend. Sit down with your legs stretched out straight. Inhale and raise your arms up. Then bend forward and try touching your toes with straight knees. Hold for 30 seconds. Then return to normal position. Do this 10 to 12 times. Remember, if you feel pain, don't force the bend. If you have an old injury, be gentle. This pose is simple and helps flatten your belly, makes your abdomen flexible, and improves digestion, so your body uses what you eat efficiently. 4. Next, Utkatasana, chair pose. Stand straight, extend your arms in front. Bend your knees as if you're sitting on a chair and hold for 20 seconds, then return to standing. Repeat 10 to 12 times. Precaution: if you have knee or back pain, do it slowly. This posture works on belly, thighs, arm fat, improves balance, and tones your body. 5. Last in the list, Kapalbhati Pranayama. Sit comfortably cross-legged. Take a deep breath, then forcefully blow out air. Focus on moving your belly in and out with every exhale. Do this for 1 to 2 minutes. Special notes: people with high blood pressure and pregnant women should avoid this. This technique boosts your metabolism, is super effective for cutting belly fat, and helps your digestion work much better. To get the best results from these poses, do them early in the morning on an empty stomach. Practice with the guidance of a yoga teacher, or at least watch some real instructions online. With a positive mindset and regular effort, soon you'll start feeling a difference, a lighter belly, more energy, and a big boost in confidence. Do these 5 simple yoga tips every day and power up your metabolism from within. Become a better version of yourself. If you liked this video, hit like, share, and subscribe, because Do for Fit is your fitness buddy on this journey. Also, remember, good food, enough water, and proper sleep are always important. Only do these yoga poses after consulting a doctor or specialist.